You know your diet is terrible, so I'm not here to tell you that. However, did you know through a faulty diet, it is not the digestive system alone that gets affected? Other organs such as the liver, kidney, skin, and lungs are affected as well. These organs become so overloaded with toxins and overworked because they cannot get rid of the toxins as quickly as they are consumed. The accumulation of waste, impurities, and poisons clog the digestive system and the assimilative organs. This is the common cause of all disease. Every disease can be healed by one remedy, doing the opposite of what causes it. That is reducing the food intake or fasting. Detoxification and fasting is the second module in the Alkaline Vegan course. Become an expert in this area by studying Alkaline Vegan nutrition. Learn more by clicking on the link below to visit our website.